forward, but they still get cold because they're not as thick.
Look, there's the corn, anak.
Mom?
Mm-mm.
Hold this. Throw this.
I want to put it in the middle.
Yeah.
Juicy.
Mother, they got it from that.
It's hard to bite into.
Andun yung ni mother nilagay. The stick. Jelana, give it to grandma the stick.
Yeah,
Please.
in the middle.
Put it in the middle. Iurong mo daw hanggang sa dulo.
I will get the butter.
Julie, Auntie Judah. Julie put it in.
Oh, si Julina. Ang lakas ni Julina.
Only Julie did it.
Oh, there you go. Grandma did it. Hello, Shalane.
Butter? Hold it. Ready? Spin. Matamis.
Mm-hmm.
You with that too.
Corn here.
Okay.
Goldie.
Spin. Oh, good. There you go. Yeah. Where did Johnny go? Oh, Daddy needs me. Go. Mother ne! Bakit?
Nakasunod.
Dali niyo yung kahoy doon.
Asa yung mga kahoy daan?
Itong kahoy ni. Buhatin niyo itong kahoy.
Diwa mo, anak. Here.
I would just eat it like
Iba naman ang binuhat.
Do you want just bring 2, anak? Or 3? You can put butter in it. If you want.
get through your mouth.
3. Well, your hand can do it. Mana yung kamay mo? Mana yung kamay mo?
Wala silang ganito.
Paano magsibak ng kahoy? Kasamang kamay. Ang ganda niya na. Gandang kahoy yan, ano? Iluluto na to, naluluto na.
Hindi pa.
Ay, hindi mo buksan?
Wala, hindi pa kumulo.
O kumukulo na.
Hindi pa. Maganda yung pwesto niya.
Maganda. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo ah.